So do you like the Apple Watch Ultra, but that price tag is just way too high? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually convert your Apple Watch SE Series 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 into looking like an Apple Watch Ultra for under $25. My Apple Watch SE, this is the first gen Apple Watch SE Nike Edition. However, I have the conversion kit. You can call it a body kit in a way. It's basically a case and it has a tempered glass screen protector, but the case imitates the look of the Apple Watch Ultra. Now this case is on AliExpress and I believe it was around $15. I will leave links for all of this and the loops and everything in the description box below, so check that out if you're thinking of getting one. And I also went and got 3 different colors of the Alpine loop. So I've got green, a yellow color, and the iconic orange. And so here we've got the iconic Alpine loop in orange. Now this loop, I think they're around $5 each, so there's numerous different colors you can get. I just got the orange, yellow and green just because I wanted them. Postage for both of these things came fairly quick. I think it was under a month, and for AliExpress that's pretty good. But before I put this onto the watch, I'm going to show you the packaging the watch face comes in. So this is the packaging. Now when I first got it, I thought, oh, they must have sent me the wrong one because it's a black packaging on the box. However, not to worry, it is the actual original Apple Watch Ultra look. And there's nothing really much to it. When you open it up, you are going to get your microfiber cloth to do your cleaning. You do get 2 buttons, so we've got 1 button here, and then for the button you just peel off the blue, stick it onto your original Apple Watch button, and then I've got the other button actually on the Apple Watch. You got a nice tempered glass screen protector on the front, which is going to protect your screen against any damage. The body kit also serves as a protective shell, so obviously if you hit your Apple Watch against something, the original Apple Watch is not going to get damaged. The damage will just go to the shell, exactly like how a case would act. And then you're going to peel the inside of the tempered glass off, pop the Apple Watch inside, and then that's done. Then all you have to do is pop your Alpine loop on. Now you don't need, of course you don't need to get an Alpine loop. You can put any loop you want on the watch. I just like the Alpine loop just because I feel like they're very, very comfortable. And see, once you've got the loop on there, pop it on my arm into place, slide it in, and then now it looks like that. Which in my opinion, it looks pretty good. Feels super comfortable, gives you that protection, gives you the Apple Watch Ultra look. Of course, you're not going to get the extra functionality, but for $25, who really cares? I'm not going to be climbing a mountain anytime soon. So the Apple Watch does everything I needed to do. I just wanted to give it a different look, and that's how it looks. Leave a comment down below if you're thinking of grabbing one of these. Like I said, I'm going to leave links in the description box below if you want to grab yourself one, and enjoy.